Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, The Honest Book Review. A few weeks ago, I finished reading this book called Justice for the Judge, which is an autobiography written by former Chief Justice of India, Mr. Ranjan Gogoi. In this book, he has provided a detailed account of the working of the Supreme Court and the challenges that the Honorable Supreme Court judges face regularly. In this inspiring and insightful book, the former CJI deals with some of the most controversial cases that were decided during his tenure. Moreover, he also touches upon the ignominious case that was filed against him by one of the court staffers, wherein serious allegations of sexual harassment were made. In the initial chapters, Ranjan Gogoi has given a short description of his personal life, including his tenure as Chief Justice of several high courts. As we move forward in the book, he unearths the hidden truth about the working of the Supreme Court and the manner in which cases are decided by the highest court of the country, impacting the lives of the common public. During his tenure, many groundbreaking and milestone judgments were passed, that is to say, Rafale verdict, Ayodhya verdict, which is also popularly known as the Ram Mandir case. In the Rafale case, the Honorable Supreme Court was severely condemned for promoting sealed cover jurisprudence, wherein documents were presented by the government concerning the Rafale deal in sealed envelopes on the ground of internal security. Ranjan Gogoi strongly defended his stand on the above by stating that he was not responsible for the adaptation of sealed cover jurisprudence and gave examples of past instances wherein the same was propounded and accepted. Furthermore, he justified the usage of sealed envelopes for submitting data pertaining to the Rafale deal by stating that certain information concerning the purchase of defense items by the government cannot be divulged in the public domain as it can impact the national security if the information reaches the enemy states of India. Thus, sealed cover evidence in Rafale case was necessary to protect the sovereignty and integrity of the nation. In 2019, the Honorable Supreme Court unanimously pronounced the much-awaited judgment in the Babri Masjid case and granted the Hindu Trust with the ownership of the disputed land. Moreover, it directed the authorities to provide an alternative piece of land to Muslims at a suitable and prominent place in Ayodhya for constructing a mosque. This is how the most controversial Babri Masjid case was finally solved after decades by the apex court when Ranjan Gogoi was at its helm. Lastly, Ranjan Gogoi deals with the allegations of presiding in his own case and violating the principles of natural justice in relation to the sexual harassment case filed against him by a court staffer. It was also alleged that the prosecutrix was reinstated to her job even after the pronouncement of a verdict in favor of Ranjan Gogoi, thus fueling the speculations that the allegations were correct. Ranjan Gogoi has given a detailed explanation about the reason for being part of the bench that decided the case. In his defense, he has claimed that no effective orders were passed by him, as is evident from the copy of the orders in the case which was not signed by him. However, he has admitted in the book that in hindsight, he regrets being part of the bench that decided the matter. In this book, Ranjan Gogoi has very candidly answered all the allegations that were made against him and the Honorable Supreme Court during his tenure. Whatever is claimed by Ranjan Gogoi is supported by copies of court orders and sound reasoning. It is a great book about the life of an outspoken and controversial judicial stalwart, Mr. Ranjan Gogoi. This book will definitely provide the readers with a deep understanding of the working style of judges of the highest court and the work and effort that goes behind deciding a case. I would highly recommend everyone to read this autobiography. That's all for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such book reviews, book recommendations and short stories. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.